Is your exhaust fan dirty inside your bathroom? Well, I'm going to show you how to clean it. Let's do this. So all you have to do is all of them come standard. You're going to grab onto your cover, you're going to pull down, and then your metal clamps are going to get caught. You're going to put on the left and the right side and pinch those metal clamps so that way you can pull them out. All of a sudden you can see stuff falling. And then what you see here, you're going to go ahead and you're going to vacuum out the exhaust and make sure that it's clean. You can wipe it down if there's a lot of dirt that the vacuum's not taking off. And then you're going to want to wash and clean the tray itself. All right, so we're all set. Vent cover is clean. The exhaust fan is also clean. So all you're gonna wanna do is go ahead and pinch these metal clamps, stick them into the slots in your fan, just like so. And then you're gonna just push up and then the compression is gonna hold that up there. So till next time, I hope you like this tip. Stay handy, my friends. We'll see ya.